Dinner time.
Yes, sir! With or without nuts.
What the hell you got in that back room?
Look, we have food here, but Danny and I still gotta do a lot of hunting to keep everyone fed. When we catch something in the woods, we skin it and dress it back there. Mama doesn't like us to make a mess in the house, so you see, nothing to worry about.
Oh, Brenda,
Biscuits?
you
Wow.
are an angel.
Oh,
Excuse the
boy.
mess, we had to block the back door after Walker got upstairs. Don't worry, that was a while ago and ain't been back inside since.
Everybody sit down, I'll go get the meal. Oh, this is a delight.
I could eat a horse.
Where's Mark?
Now don't you worry about him. I've already brought some food up. You just let him rest.
Mind if I wash my hands first?
Bathroom's right outside in the hall. And be sure to get under your nails. You've been mucking around in the dirt all day.
Andy's college degree. These boys aren't stupid. Danny's baseball trophy. Seems like it's been years since kids were playing sports for fun. This dairy must have meant a lot to them before the Walkers destroyed everything. High school diploma. Walkers aren't getting through that thing. Could use a shave. Some kind of lotion. What do they need so much morphine for? Candles. Smart. Musty as hell. I guess someone needed some first aid recently. What is this stuff? Looks like a bunch of medical waste here. ep.2. What would dairy farmers need with this kind of stuff? Where's that cord going? What the hell? Is that blood? Farm books, cookbooks, nothing out of the ordinary here. Mark, what the hell happened?
Brothers,
What the hell happened to your legs, man?
don't eat dinner.
Clementine! Don't eat that!
Huh? Lee, Jesus, man. Did you find something? Oh, sit your ass down, Lee. This lady has made you a meal.
Yeah, Lee, what's gotten into you?
He just had a start.
He could use some goddamn manners.
You're eating human meat!
That's crazy.
The hell?
Ridiculous.
Scaring the kids, Lee.
Lee, what the hell is wrong with you?
Don't indulge him, Lily. There's always something with this guy.
Mom, I was eating that.
Go upstairs and look. You'll find a guy with both of his legs hacked off. This is a dairy, not a ranch. Think about it.
It's true.
Everything could have turned okay for you folks.
He would have died anyway. We gotta think about living.
Settle down, honey. Growing up in rural Georgia, you're taught not to waste. It's how I was raised and how I raised my boys. Now, you got monsters roaming around that do nothing but eat people. And for what? To continue to rot till they eat some more. We think we can put that meat to better use.
Oh, I'm gonna puke.
You're all sick. Sick in the head.
Lee, that's not a very nice thing to imply. Andy is right. We go after folks who were gonna die anyways, one way or another.
Like y'all.
Clementine, run!
Nobody's going anywhere.
We got lots of use for y'all right here.
What the fucking what?
Put your guns down! We're walking out of here!
my
Mommy,
family.
I don't want to die. Mommy, what did I eat?
Everyone, everything will be okay.
Lee? Lee?
I'll kill you!
Please. Someone.
Come out!
Open the goddamn door! You can't keep us in here! Open up! I will tear you fuckers apart with my bare hands! We gotta find another way out of here! You sick fucking bastards! Open this door, goddamn! I will knock the goddamn door down!
It was a person. They tried to make us eat a person.
But you didn't do it.
No.
The rest of us did, goddammit! If you hadn't dragged your feet!
Come on, Dad. Now's not the time.
You okay, Clementine? They didn't hurt you, did they?
Open up! Lee, those psychos have my family, and we're stuck in a damn meat locker! We gotta get the fuck out of here! This goddamn film sucker was the one who brought us here! Will you all just shut the fuck up?
I'm scared.
Don't be. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna find us a way out of here.
You're worse than the walkers!
Dad, eat!
They got Katya and Duck, Lee! Those fuckers have my family!
I know! We're gonna get out of here and find them.
Please settle down!
I'll rip their
Could
goddamn
there be
heads
a
off
hole behind
and
these
make you
pallets?
swallow them.
No such luck.
Come on! Show yourself! Fucking cowards!
Dad!
Don't give up. We're gonna find a way out of here.
Can I help?
Sure, honey. You keep your eyes open for exposed screws or loose panels. Anything we can pry away to open a passage out of here.
Okay.
There's more of us on the way! Let us out now!
Shelves are
Do you
pretty
wanna
sturdy.
live?
We can
Not
climb
gonna
up.
help.
But there's no way out through the ceiling.
They're not gonna open the door!
You think a fucking apocalypse gives you the right to chop
Don't wanna
people
know what
into
kind.
meat?
Dad, this isn't helping!
I'll break that damn door down!
Dad, you can't get... Easy!
Oh, God.
Dad? No! Dad, come on! Dad! Oh, God, he stopped breathing. I think he's had a heart attack.
Is he dead?
He's not dead! Somebody help me!
Fuck. If he's dead...
He's not dead!
It has to happen. Think about it. You saw that poor bastard at the motel? How fast he turned?
What are you saying?
Lily, I'm sorry. I truly, truly am. But in a few minutes, we'll be stuck in a locked room with a 6'4", 300-pound, seriously pissed off dead guy.
Fuck you! We can bring him back! Lee!
Morning later. But right now, we have to keep him from coming back.
No! God damn it, Kenny! He's not dead!
Maybe you're right.
No, God damn it! My dad survived worse than this!
Look, Kenny, back at the drugstore when we all thought Duck was bitten, I gave him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe we should do the same now.
That was different. Duck wasn't bitten. But come on! We know this guy's not gonna make it. Remember what Ben said. Gotta destroy the brain. Come on, Lee, I'm right about this. I know you've got my back. You always do.
God damn it, Lee, I need you! Please help me! Come on, Dad. Come on.
You're right, Kenny. Let's get
You
this over.
fucking monsters! Both of you!
I don't want to see.
I'm sorry, Lily.
No, no,
It's the
no!
only way.
Get off me! Don't do this! No! No, no, no! Let go of me! No! Please! No!
God help us. I'm sorry. I
Don't
know
you fucking touch me!
Clementine. Clem. You okay?
Why, Lee? Lily said he wasn't dead.
He was dead, Clementine.
But what if he wasn't?
He was, I promise. I know. But you gotta be strong. I need you to be strong. Think about something else, something hopeful.
Like what?
I'm not talking. Those pretend talks with your mom and dad, don't those make you feel better?
Sometimes. We're gonna get out, right? You found a way out?
I'm working.